Really?
Okay, can I get a mogojan for $800?
Mogojan.
Mogojan. Please do a Mococo adorable sneeze impression.
What? I can't.
You got this.
Huh?
You can do this.
Okay. All right. If you say, hold on a sec. Clearly, I've practiced this many times in my dreams.
Yeah.
Over and over again. I am the epitome of mogojang. Here we go. Dang it! I was sure I had it. Nobody is better than me, except for mogojang. Hoeh?
That was.
Someone else do it.
That was
Cute.
It was cute.
Yeah. I mean, surely
I thought
your
it was
gen
perfectly
mates can do a
accurate.
better job.
Yeah.
Perhaps.
Sione,
Absolutely not.
What's your best mogojan sneeze?
Something like
Yeah, it's like, she always says.
There's so much power.
Yeah. Can we hear it?
Yeah.
I wanna
oh,
hear
yeah.
how close
Oh
we
yeah,
are.
yeah, yeah.
I
Let's
wanna
hear it.
hear-
Let's hear the actual sneeze.
Yeah, mogogo.
Oh, that is so cute. So can I hear it one more
what I
time?
making my ringtone.
What is she saying? Who is she communicating with? Entities from another planet?
That's
I
our
feel like we
mogogo.
all have like such
Mogogo.
unique sneezes though.
Mhm.
Like everyone
Sneeze
sneezes so
compilation.
differently.
Sneeze compilation holo-EN.
I think there is a
I feel like
compilation
someone.
of our
I think
sneezes.
so.
As there should be.
Then
Hololive sneezes save the world.
yes.